Bonjour, voici fiche de lecture numéro 3. Here is reading number 3 for the homework starting on November 29th. Pour les devoirs de la semaine le 29 novembre. Va, vu, ve, vi, vo, vi, ve. Vo, va, vi, vu, vi, ve, va. La, vu, me, vi, mo, li, ve. Vo, lu, ma, va, li, mu, le, me, vi, lo, vi, ma, li, va, ma, vi, le, mo, vu, lo, the. That is what I'm expecting from level 1 to be able to read at least 50% of these syllables and to at least be able to identify the first sound and the second sound and have some success with blending the two sounds together. So just this grid over here would be level 1. Niveau 1, juste la grille. Niveau 2, so level 2, I'm expecting this grid, and I'm also expecting about 50% of these words to be read. Il va. Il vole. L'a vu. Il a vu. Il vomit. La ville. Il vit avec une olive. Il lave la vie, la lave. So this is what I'm expecting from level 2, to be able to read the grid and attempt to decode these words, at least 50%. Okay. This is what I'm expecting from level 3 students. Level 3 students typically have a little bit more French exposure at home and can actually do a lot more with comprehension. So I will go ahead and read this. It is good to be exposed to it if you are even level 1 and 2. Les sons L, M et V. Lis les phrases. Suis avec le doigt. Follow with the finger. Ali. Ali a. Ali a des. Ali a des amis. Ali a des amis. Lily lave la vache. Lily washes the cow. Le lama va à la ville. The llama goes to the city. Molly aime la lime. Molly likes the lime. Mali aime sa maman. Mali likes his mom or loves. Il a vu une mule à vélo. He saw a mule on a bike. Il lit un livre à 1000 mots. He reads a book with 1,000 words. La momie avale une olive verte. The mummy swallows a green olive. Ma maman aime le lilas mauve. My mom loves mauve lilacs. So this is level 3. And of course, if your child ever feels the urge to go ahead and do some of this decoding of level 3 work, please let them do it. Even if they make mistakes, it's always good to try. Merci et bonne semaine.